Hi, my name is Johanna Bright, and I'm an authored poet. And my book entitled My Resume, published by Tate Publishing, will be coming out this spring 2014. And I want to share some of the work that I have written that Tate Publishing thought was so excellent. Now, I don't have an audience yet. I have an audience, but not a big audience. And I'm here today to show you why you're going to be a fan of mine. Because I speak to people in general. Nobody in particular. I'm not political. At least I don't think I am. Well, you don't know you're very political until somebody tells you you're political. But for me, I'm not political. Not at all. Because I just don't want to get into those kind of conversations. You could lose friends. You could lose family. But back to the point. I'm here to share my poetry with you today. And so I'm going to be giving you a few excerpts from my resume. I also have a book coming out called Excerpts from My Resume. A little bit sooner than my resume. And I do hope you enjoy them. So let's go. Let's go. Here I go. Anyway, this one is called Cut Flowers. Don't mow the lawn. Let the dead protect the dormant. Leave everything as it is. Don't shovel the snow which falls in effervescent flakes of crystalline pureness that is winter, erasing all remnants of seasons past, allowing us once again to start anew. Don't cut the flowers of spring that bloom full and erect, stretching toward a bright burning orb which beckons all life to mature to its fullness in time. Don't put away the lawn furniture, chases, settees, umbrellas, swimming pools, shovels, and buckets. Leave everything as it is. For the children will build ice castles in winter, and sand forts in summer, and mounds of leaves will swirl roughly on the ground as they play on windy days and hide under their blankets on rainy nights. Tell all the tales of liberty, of reverence, of obsession. Accommodate the imaginations of pubescence. Water every petal that crests as if it were the last of its breed, never to be seen of again. Nurture, nourish, succor. In time, nature will surely take its course.